this video, I'm going to talk about Archway token sales on Coinlist, and I'm going to show you how to add your wallet to this and pass your questioning. What you need to know to get started and buy this Archway token on Coinlist token sales. So on your home screen over here, once you log in, press this register now. And right here, you will see this information about this project. You have to read all because they are going to ask you a question for you to pass this questioning process. After you read all this information, you understand the process. The registration deadline is June 12th at 12 o'clock UTC time, and the sale is going to begin at June 15 at 17 o'clock UTC. Once you understand this whole process, press register now. It's going to bring you here to this sales details. This token is being offered 20 cents per token, and the lockup period of 40 days. Lockup period after 20% will be unlocked, following by an 8-month nearly harvest schedule, and this total diluted network value is 200 million of this coin in dollar value, and total token allocation for this day is 30,000 Archway token, and 3% of this total supply. Maximum and minimum token you can buy in this token is $100 and 1,000. Additional allocation request is $100 and 1,000. The token will be able to purchase this token sales, which is USDT and USDT. And if you have any question, you can check this is FAQ. And right here, this is the excluded country, that's resident country, that you won't be able to participate if you are living in US or Canada or China or other country. Just press this button and you see all of that. And right here, just press register now. After pressing register now, I've already passed this information, and I'm going to leave a link in the video description to show you how you'll be able to pass the questioning. And right now, you need to post your wallet over here and press submit. And right here, you see I'll submit this wallet now. This is in pending, and the sale is going to begin in 17 days, 7 hours, 77 minutes, 51 seconds. And here is the wallet has been waiting for confirmation. And right here, if this wallet has been approved, it's going to click mark, and that's what I need to meet before I'll be able to participate. This token says, right here, the token says period starts June 15, 2023, 17 o'clock UTC time. It's going to end at June 22, 2023, 00 UTC time. And that's all the information you need to know. Remember, you have to fund your account with USDT for you to be able to buy this token using this period, and just have to wait for this your token to your address to be verified, and you will find this green button that is going to be ticked like this. You have passed this confirmation of your wallet or not. So that's all you need to be doing, and just come back to this Coinlist over here. Then after this, once this token sale is going to start, it's going to bring it over here for you to join this token sales. You will bring it over here as enter waiting room. Once you enter, then when this token sale starts, you're going to assign a random spot for you in the queue. And I've made a video talking about the whole process, what you need to experience participating on Coinlist tokens. So make sure you check the link in the video description to know the whole process, what you might experience in the whole process. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.